Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. On this occasion, me and my friends from Group 4 will present to you a video tutorial. It's about how to make a simple floor plane using AutoCAD. Previously, let me introduce the member of Group 4. This is me, Alfianada Puspitasari, my friends Angga Puja Pratama, Aurel Sabrilian Putri, and Hafiz Al-Mujadid Musa Alim. First, we will introduce to you some of the main tools in the AutoCAD application. Let's get started!
I will explain about the drawing toolbar in AutoCAD and its function. Line toolbar. The line toolbar whose function is to draw lines. How to apply is type L then enter. Polyline toolbar. The polyline toolbar whose function is to create 2D lines. How to apply is type PL then enter. Polygon toolbar. Polygon toolbar whose function is to draw a polygon. How to apply is type Polygon then enter. Rectangle toolbar. The rectangle toolbar whose function is to draw a rectangle. How to apply is type L, A, C, then enter. Circle toolbar. The circle toolbar whose function is to draw a circle. How to apply is type C, then enter. Hatch toolbar. Hatch toolbar with function to fill closed areas or no gaps with color or shaping pattern and gradients. How to apply is type hatch, then enter. MText. The MText toolbar with function to create multi-text. How to apply is type MText, then enter.
I will explain Modifies toolbar in AutoCAD, command, and the function. The first toolbar is Erase. The function is to delete object. The command is type E and then enter. The second toolbar is Copy. The function is to copy the same object to another place. The command is type C O and then enter. The next object is Mirror. The function to make the same object but in opposite position. The command is type ME and then enter. The next toolbar is Offset. The function is to make the same object with specified distance. The command is type O and then enter. The next toolbar is Move. The function is to move object. The command is type M and then enter. The next toolbar is rotate. The function is to rotate object at this point. The command is type R and then O and then enter. The next toolbar is scale. The function is to scale object. The command is type S, C and then enter. The next toolbar is trim. The function is to cut the object from one side to the other side of the object. And for the command is type T, R and then enter. The next toolbar is extend. The function is to extend the object to side of another object. And the command is type E, X and then enter. And the last toolbar is fillet. The function is to make an arch. The command is type fillet and then enter.
Okay, my name is Hafid. Here I will give an example implementation of the AutoCAD tools in creating a simple floor plan. Okay, first we will create a new layer. We set the layer properties. To create a new layer, we can click on the new layer or press Alt plus N. Next, we rename the layer according to the line we want to make. Where we will create a layer. Next, we set line color for each layer. Next, we adjust the line thickness. Okay, after that we start making the plan. We make the size of the line. Type rect, enter size. And rect, enter. Input the size. we change ke as layer. After that, we set position. After that, we make room, rectangle, enter, input the size, copy and move. After that, we make rectangle for bedroom, input the size, after that we make a column, we change layer column, input the size, then we make width length, display like width, after that copy and move, set position column. Then we remove width and length. After that, we make wall. We change layer wall. Then we use formula ML enter, G enter, Z enter, S enter, and input the size. Then we click here. After that, space, space, space. Space, 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 and space. After that, we move frame layer. We make a frame of door. Rectangle, input the then rectangle, input the size, rectangle, then we move in here. After that, explode. Move. Previously, we region first. After region, we move. After that, mirror, new, enter. After that, we make rectangle again, rotate, and delete. After that, we use art. Click on 3 point. After that, mirror. Okay, then we fit the position of the door that we have created. Move. After that, we make door for bedroom. Rectangle. Input the size. We just copy and move. After that, mirror. We make rectangle again. After that, rotate. Then select art. Click 3 point and move to the bedroom. Next, we remove the line by selecting the explode, enter line, trim enter, select the line we want to remove. Next, we make the window frame. The method is the same as rectangle. Enter the size. We just copy. After that, mirror. We make a rectangle. Copy. We make a distance of 30 centimeter. Then we make grid lines. Make grid line. When we move it to the middle. After that, remove grid line. After that, mirror. make quit line, then move to the middle and remove quit line. Okay, after that we move to the sanding layer. We can use the formula LW enter, C enter, Z enter, S enter, and enter the size. Space, 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 space. Click here, click space, space, click space, space, click space. And to add sanding wall, we can use the hedge tool. Okay, that's the explanation from our groups about AutoCAD from beginners. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.